Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to learn the second chapter, that is polynomials. First of all, we are going to discuss about what is the degree of the polynomial. So let us take an example, that is x square plus 3x plus 2. Here the power of the first term, that is 2, and the power of the second term, that is 1, and the power of the third term, that is 0. Here the highest power is 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. The degree of the polynomial is 2. Higher power of the variable in the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Next, I'm going to discuss the types of polynomials. First one is linear polynomial. First one is a polynomial of degree 1 is called the linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. The general form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b. The degree of this polynomial is 1. Then the second one is quadratic polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial. In this polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The general form of this quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. The highest power of this polynomial is 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial. And third one is cubic polynomial. Third one is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. The general form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here highest power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. So a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. And next is, what is the graph? What is the shape of the graph of a linear polynomial? The graph of a linear polynomial is a straight line. The graph of linear polynomial is a straight line, and the graph of quadratic polynomial is a curve-shaped. That curve is called parabola. The graph of linear polynomial is a straight line, and the graph of quadratic polynomial is a curve, that is called parabola. So next is graph of linear polynomial is x dash x y dash y. So this is a straight line. Graph of linear polynomial is a straight line. Next is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, x dash x y dash is a curve shape. This polynomial is called plus c. This shape is called parabola. This shape is called parabola. The graph of a linear polynomial is a straight line, and the graph of a quadratic polynomial is a parabola. Then next is How to find out the zeros of linear polynomial? How to find out the zeros of the linear polynomial? We know the general equation of a linear polynomial is equal to ax plus b. So here the general form of a linear polynomial is x plus b is equal to 0. How to find out the 0? Here x is equal to minus b by a is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Minus b is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x. So we have to write minus of constant term by coefficient of x. That is the introduction of polynomial. Now here I am we learned that the types of polynomials, that is first one is linear polynomial, second one is quadratic polynomial, and third one is cubic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1 is called the linear. The shape of the graph is a straight line and the general form is x plus b. The second one is a quadratic polynomial. The graph of quadratic polynomial is a curve. The curve is called parabola. The general form is x square plus bx plus c, and the third one is cubic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. The general form is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And finally, the 0 of the linear polynomial is, that is x plus b equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus b by a, minus b is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x, minus of constant term by coefficient of x. I'm going to wind up this section. Thank you.